Dreaming of a high-flying career in aviation? A Master of Science, MSc, in aviation can open doors to advanced roles in the aviation industry. Sulekha helps you connect with top MSc aviation colleges in India, ensuring you find the best program for your career growth. Why choose MSc Aviation? This 2-year postgraduate program is designed for students who want to specialize in aviation sciences, airline operations, and aircraft maintenance. It combines theoretical knowledge with hands-on training, making graduates highly sought after by airlines, airports, and aerospace companies. Eligibility criteria for MSc Aviation. To enroll in this program, you must meet the following requirements: a BSc in Aviation, Aeronautical Science, Physics, or related fields with at least 50% marks. Some universities may conduct an entrance exam or interview for admission. A background in mathematics and physics is preferred. Key subjects in MSc Aviation. The program covers technical and managerial aspects of aviation, including aviation meteorology and weather analysis, aircraft system and flight simulation, airline and airport operations, human factors in aviation safety, aerospace navigation and control systems. Students also gain practical exposure through internships, lab training, and industry visits. Course fees and duration. The MSc in Aviation is a 2-year course with fees ranging from 2 lakhs rupee to 8 lakhs rupees depending on the university. Scholarships for MSc Aviation. To make the program more accessible, many colleges offer scholarships such as merit-based scholarships for top-performing students, need-based financial aid for economically weaker students, industry-sponsored fellowships by aviation organizations. These scholarships help reduce costs and encourage talented students to pursue aviation careers. Top MSc Aviation colleges in India. Find the best MSc Aviation colleges on Sulekha, including Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai; University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, UPES, Dehradun; Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Sciences, Coimbatore; Jain University, Bangalore; Indira Gandhi Institute of Aeronautics, Kochi. These institutes provide cutting-edge infrastructure, industry tie-ups, and excellent placement support, career opportunities, and salary prospects. After completing an MSc in Aviation, you can work in airlines, aircraft manufacturing, aviation research, and regulatory bodies in roles such as Aviation Safety Analyst, Air Traffic Controller, Aerospace Research Scientist, Flight Operations Manager, Aviation Lecturer and Trainer. Starting salaries range from 6 lakhs rupee to 12 lakhs rupee per annum, depending on the role and organization. Get started with Sulekha today. Sulekha makes it easy to find the best MSc Aviation colleges in India. White Heavy Checkmark compare colleges, courses, and fees. White Heavy Checkmark explore scholarship opportunities. White Heavy Checkmark connect directly with universities to kickstart your admission process. The aviation sector is growing fast, and highly skilled professionals are in demand. Visit Sulekha today to explore MSc Aviation programs and take off toward an exciting career. Your dream career is just a click away.